No.
Oh my god.
You wanna see it jump?
Okay, jump.
What?
Hey, it's Steven Brundage. We're here at the Dog Cafe here in Silver Lake, California. We're gonna show some volunteers some magic and also play with some dogs. Do you want to learn how to do a magic trick right now?
I do want to learn how to do a magic trick.
So dogs could do tricks, but do you know that rubber bands could also do tricks as well too?
Nope.
We'll wrap the rubber band around the fingers, and I'm gonna get the rubber band to jump from these fingers to these fingers, but first, I'm gonna create a little barrier. So now the rubber band is trapped, and it can't get to the other fingers because we have these bands over here, but watch, if I tell it to jump, say jump.
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 Whoa.
You wanna learn it?
Yes, I do.
Let's teach you how to do it.
I'm gonna show this to everyone.
So the Dog Cafe is a halfway house for a lot of shelter dogs that really have nowhere to go. We house the dogs here, we rehabilitate them, provide them with medical care they need before getting adopted. It's the very first dog cafe in America, and we have our coffee shop over here and all of our rescue dogs next door.
All right, I'm ready to learn. Ready to do it. I'm excited.
So for this trick, you need 2 rubber bands. You're gonna start on your index and middle finger, and you're just gonna wrap it around twice. At that point, you're gonna take this rubber band and wrap it around all your fingers. You're gonna take the rubber band, close your fingers into it. All you do now is just let go. Just open up your hand, like that.
And it
jumps
flips
down.
to the other side.
Yeah.
All right.
You wanna try it?
Yes, I do.
Let's start it off. 2 fingers. Fantastic.
Double wrap.
Yep, and then,
I twist it like,
oh yeah.
like that.
Perfect, yep.
And then jump. I magicked myself.
Nice, you're a natural. Do you wanna go show some people right now?
I do want to show some people.
Let's go do it.
Yes. All right, let's do it. So Monica, dogs can do tricks. The rubber bands can do tricks too. Do you want to see a trick?
I do.
Okay, all right. So I'm gonna wrap this. All right, look it, there's nothing. To make it even trickier.
My heart's like beating really fast, I don't know why.
All right, so I'm gonna make this rubber band impossibly jump to these 2 fingers.
Okay.
All right, ready? So look, there's nothing, look. There's no, right? There's no way I can do it. Okay, you wanna see it jump?
Yeah.
Tell it to jump.
Okay, jump.
What?
Can I touch it?
Yeah, it's just rubber bands.
You're like a real magician.
Ready? Tell it to jump.
Jump.
Someday maybe I'll show you. Someday.
Well, thank you for having us at the Dog Cafe.
you
That
for
was a lot
doing
of fun, and you just proved that anyone can magic.